Good evening, sir. We are the group 8. How corrosion cargo spaces and ballast tanks are formed, their causes, manner for identification and prevention. Formation of corrosion. Corrosion is an electrochemical process involving anode metal dissolves, ion loses electrons. Cathode reaction oxygen gains electrons. Electrically, usually seawater, moisture, or cargo reduce basic reaction. Iron plus oxygen plus water rust is iron oxide. In tanks, percent of moisture plus oxygen plus salt. Its ideal corrosion conditions, their structures acts both anode and cathode at different points. Causes of corrosion. In ballast tanks, seawater exposes high salinity, strong electro-oxygen content dissolved oxygen. Accelerates corrosion for coating pollution, break up addictive coating exposed breaks them by activities solvent reducing bacteria. Microbiological influence corrosion for MIC. Contribute by accelerates oxygenation, destroying current and become liquid corrosion rate. Cargo space workers ideas commit cargo stall iron or selected absorb moisture. Create corrosive environment cargo reduce chemical which is may be acidic or alcohol oxidation. Temperature difference moisture formation. Sulfur content in cargo becomes acid mixed with water. Mitigate cleaning cell
Type of corrosion observed: uniform corrosion, general thinning, pitting corrosion, small depth hole buried in zeros, grooving corrosion along welds or structural members, galvanic corrosion between the similar metals, microbial corrosion MID or MIC. Identification of corrosion: a visual inspection, rusting, discoloration, pitting or holes, coating breakdown, blistering, plaquing, scale formation, thickness measurement, ultrasonic thickness gauging, UTG, detects steel wastage, close-up survey, internal inspection of prime bulkheads, tank stop, stagers, structural indicators, deformation or back buckling, cracks near corroded zone. Special monitoring corrosion rate measurement tools, coating condition assessment.
5. Prevention and control. A. Protective coating. Epoxy coating in ballast tank. Regular maintain and repair. Surface preparation before application. B. Cathodic protection. 1. Sacrificial anodes, zinc and aluminum. Number 2. Impressed curing system ICCP. C. Good maintaining parts practice. Regular inspections, timely repair of coating damage, proper tank cleaning after discharge. D. Environmental control. Keep tanks dry when possible. Use dehumidification system. Minimize condensation. E. Cargo handling measures. Proper washing and drying after corrosive cargoes. Naturalization.
Summary: corrosion forms due to stale oxygen, moisture, electrolyte ballast tanks corrode mainly due to seawater exposure. Cargo holds corrode due to cargo resides moisture and condensation identified through inspection and thickness measurement prevented by coating, cathodic protection maintenance, and proper operation.